Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Really late to the party today. It's 12:13 on April 29th, 2025. And there's a lot going on in the market that we got to cover. Dollar yen's fall from like 144.06. We said there was resistance up there technically, but the dollar's precipitous fall against the yen has been helped along by a couple of things that we got to pay really, really close attention to. And it's not good news. Unfortunately, it's not good news. I mean, I wish it was just trade wars that we're talking about, but we have to look a little bit deeply. We have exclusive Pakistan defense minister says military incursion by India is imminent. Now, that's just not, those are two nuclear powers that are talking that they're starting to flirt with war. Now, on the Ukraine war front, it's been now confirmed that China has actually, I'm sorry, not China itself. North Korea confirms it sent troops to fight for the Russians in the Ukraine war. Now, there's been rumor to that. It was never really confirmed, and now it's being confirmed, so that is not good. I mean, that is the definition, unfortunately, that is the definition of world war, because you have two different countries lining up to fight another country. That's the definition of world war. So this is what helped dollar yen actually come off. Right now, it's holding pretty strong at 144, say 90. I'm sorry, 141.90. Woo, late in the day. Sorry, 141.90. So how does it stand right now? Well, in order for it to show any type of strength, it's got to get over right now 142, say 60. This level right here is still good. It was a short-term support. Is now turned into resistance. It needs to get above this. And if things cool off, obviously we could, return back up into, the upward movement that we have and then probably attack that 144.06. But it's just not happening right now. I mean, that stuff's in the background, and that's basically it's leading into risk on assets, so they're piling back into dollar yen. Yesterday I told you that I was looking to actually buy it around 142, like 70, 75, and I didn't. I ended up selling it. I actually, sold it right around 60, 142.60, and I got it back at 142.12, and I haven't done anything again. So it's really showing weakness because of the geopolitical stuff in the background, like, the Ukraine and Pakistan. All right, so let's go over to sterling dollar. All right, sterling dollar finally broke above that 134, say 40-ish level. Didn't go that far away. It didn't stray that far from it. Went up to actually 43. So 3 pips above the resistance level that we had. Now, sterling's been acting pretty well, considering like there's problems heating up on the in the Ukraine. So I mean this is what's confusing me. I'm kind of thinking like this is suspect. I really don't know. I would think that if it was really serious, I would think that sterling would have crashed down, back to like 131. I'm glad that it didn't. We got a trend line support on the 6-hour right here at 133.30. If that goes, we're probably looking, going back down to here like 130. Long term would be 130, like 70, 130.80, let's say 131. But right now, as it stands, it's got to hold. Let me see, where were we? We were at the top. We went to is 120. So it's got to hold 133. Yeah, right there. It's got to hold 133.60. It's got to hold that level short term in order to show continuing strength to try to take the top out. Like there, it's got to hold that level. If it breaks down through that level, we threaten this trend line at 133.38, and then a partial breakdown into the 132.40 area. So let's go over sterling yen. Sterling yen. All right. This one's also held up quite quite well compared to, when we start adding in this geopolitical news of the Ukraine and Pakistan. It's got to hold this 190.28 level, 190.25. And the only way it shows any type of strength is if it gets back above 191.70, 191. I'll go like, no, that's too close. Let me see, where are we? Right here. Yeah, all right. I'll go. It's got to. The only way we show strength, we get above 191, say 20, 15.20. That's where we're staying right now. Right now, we're drifting lower to this 190.28. All depending on what goes on with dollar yen. If the marketplace still picks up this, risk on type of attitude, we could break this 190.28, travel back down to 189.65. Euro yen also holding up pretty well. Don't like the idea that it's below 163, 162.70 right now. Let's see. Whew. Yeah, I would have to go. The only way it shows any type of strength right now is if we get above 162.60 right there. It's got to get above that to show strength. If not, we're drifting lower towards the 160-152 area. So that's what I got going on for you guys right now. I'm sorry I'm late to the party, but I wanted to do this. I wanted you to see like what's in the background aside from trade wars. We got more serious issues when we're talking about nuclear powers threatening to start a skirmish with each other. All right. So remember, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. I want to build a big trading community. Head on over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.